A Manila court has issued a precautionary hold departure order against Senator Jinggoy Estrada and several others in connection with the flood control scandal. Here is the report.
The Manila Regional Trial Court Branch 52 has issued a precautionary hold departure order against Senator Jinggoy Estrada, former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Also included in the PHDO are former DPWH officials Roberto Bernardo, Henry Alcantara, and Gerard Opolencia. All are facing plunder, direct bribery, and corruption charges filed with the DOJ in connection with the flood control scandal. According to the DOJ, the court found probable cause to believe the respondents might flee to avoid arrest before the panel of prosecutors issues a resolution.
Kaya po siya precautionary hold departure order. So by the term precautionary, ibig po sabihin yan na bago pa po ma-file formally yung kaso in court, nag-issue na yung judge or this Branch 52 RTC Manila of the order, anticipating that the respondents in these plunder cases pending before the DOJ may evade arrest. Kaya po sila tinatawag na respondents pa rin at hindi accused because they have not yet been formally charged in court.
Meanwhile, Bonoan has filed his counter affidavit with the DOJ over a plunder complaint. He had earlier informed authorities of his travel plans to the United States, where his wife is seeking medical attention.
Hindi pa ko alam eh. Pero nakapagpaalam na kayo, sir? Nakapagpaalam na kayo?
Yeah, nakapagpaalam po.
However, the DOJ emphasized that Bonoan's notification has no bearing, as the court had already issued the PHDO. For News 5, Camille Samonte, We Are One News.
Alright, this is expected naman to happen and this is a preventive legal measure na ginagawa ng prosecution just in case kasi nga wala pa naman talagang kaso, 'di ba? It's still under DOJ's preliminary investigation. They're still determining whether there is a enough evidence to file certain cases.
Ang weird lang, kasi bakit nila in-announce sa media? Kasi ang word nila is ayaw nila tumakbo. So, bago pa ma-file mismo sa judge yung actual hold departure order, lagay tayo ng precautionary kasi baka pag nalaman nila, tatakbo sila.
At least na ano na nila.
Hindi, I mean,
nahiya na yung kabila.
I mean, in-announce nila yung precautionary hold departure order. In-announce nila yon bago nila pina-file actually yung actual precautionary hold departure order. Yun lang ano ko lang, di ba?
Pero still, I think
Alam mo,
pa rin yun parang optics na rin yun na at least yung kabila, mahiya na yan umalis.
Actually, I don't think anymore yung mga people who have these cases care kung nakakahiya sila o hindi. Most of them who are maybe don't want to face all of this will really run kung run. Kasi in the past, nangyari naman yan. He had former Senator Gringo Honasan. He ran, evaded arrest, and he even won a seat as senator. Si Senator Ping Lacson, dinaan niya yan. So, some people, whether guilty or not, will try to circumvent the system because siguro walang tiwala sa sistema.
Yeah, well, the court said they found probable cause na maaaring nang mag-evade itong mga respondents. No? Respondents pa lang tawag sa kanila.
We're not saying they will evade.
Kasi di pa naman sila sinasampahan ng kaso.
We're not saying they will evade arrest. Yun
ang sinabi ng court.
No, I mean, clarify ko lang. Yung nagsasabi is based sa report.
Yeah. So the court, as I've said kanina, has found probable cause na these respondents might be able to, escape the arrest. That's why, hence the precautionary hold departure.
So, of course, ito na
order.
si Senator Jinggoy Estrada, isa sa mga big fish na inaantay ng mga tao na humarap at sumagot yung official answer niya para malaman. Yung isa pa ata is Senator Joel Villanueva, wala pa dito.
Wala pa siya dyan. Oo. Pero yun nga, kung kailangan umalis, like for example, yung kay former Secretary Manny Bonoan, he will need to ask again for travel authority if ever kailangan. Kasi, precautionary, hindi pa naman talaga to hold departure order dahil wala pa naman talaga silang kaso.